It's finally here. I have recently ordered some of my favorite anime collectibles and Hot Wheels straight from Japan through JPFans.com. In this video, we are gonna unbox every single one of them. Now, before we open anything, let me quickly explain how this whole thing works with JPFan because I have been getting questions about this. JPFan is basically a Japanese shopping agent, so instead of trying to buy directly from Japanese websites that do not ship internationally, JPFans does all of that for you. You go to jpfans.com, search for whatever you need across Japanese websites like Mercari Japan, Amazon Japan, and Rakuten, all in one place. JPFan goes and buys it on your behalf. Once your pieces start arriving at their warehouse in Japan, they hold everything for you up to 60 days. When everything is ready, they consolidate it all into one single box and ship it internationally straight to your door. I ordered 8 collectibles and they all arrived together in one package. No hassle, no customs nightmare, nothing at all. Just one box full of Japanese exclusive goodies showing up at my doorstep. It's super easy and very convenient to use JPFans, and if you still need a tutorial how to use their website or app, you can click on the link at the top right corner of your screen where I demonstrate how you can place an order. If you sign up to JPFans through my link in the description or use my invite code which is provided in the description, you will get $86 worth of coupons dropped straight into your account. Stick till the end of the video to find out how those coupons work. Let's take a look at the first item out of the 8 that I have ordered from JPFans. This is a Gengar figure. This one is a Japan exclusive Gengar mascot. Outside of the original 4 starter Pokemons, I really like Gengar. I am a huge fan and I like the goofiness of this Pokemon as well. This is a Ghost and Poison type, pure fan favorite since the 1996. This particular piece ties into the 2026 Pokemon and Nippon Professional Baseball collaboration that launched in February 2026 to celebrate Pokemon's 30th anniversary. The next item I picked was a 10-piece set of Japanese McDonald's Happy Set Pokemon figures, but most importantly, this whole set is for my daughter. She is about to turn 3 and I think this is going to be a very fun experience for her. This dark Charizard really stands out of all these figures, so I might keep this one for me. I'm not sure, but let's see. This one looks really cool. This is very difficult to find in the US. And I can already tell that this Pikachu is going to be her favorite out of all these figures. You can see how fun it is. Here you can roll it and the Pikachu will always stay on the top. I absolutely love it. I'm pretty sure she's gonna love this one as well. Here you can see how Japanese McDonald's are different from the US and how fun it can be when you get these, Pokemon goodies through your Happy Meals. And this is where JPFan can help you to get your hands on these exclusive Japanese goodies. The next item is a 3D Pokemon sticker set. This is also for my daughter, but they are so cute. I might keep some of them for myself as well. I ordered them from Amazon Japan, so you can already see how some of the items I have ordered are from Amazon Rakuten, Amazon Japan. It's a mix of different platforms, but you are getting all of these in a single package without any hassle, without any headache from the customs. I absolutely love these stickers. If you're a Pokemon fan, this is something that you can, stick to your journal, your notebook, or even your phone case, anything really. So definitely I'm gonna use some of these and keep the rest for my daughter. I might not give all of them to her at once, but yeah, I still have to figure it out. But one thing is for sure, you're not finding these at any US store. Now let's get into the Pokemon cards. I picked up 4 brand new sealed Japanese Pokemon cards from Mercari Japan. And what makes this set special is that each pack is from a completely different Japanese expansion: Wild Force, Cyber Judge, Scarlet X, and Violet. Here is the highlight pull of the entire set. This is the first time I'm opening any official Japanese or US Pokemon packs. I used to collect Pokemons back in 2005, 2006 when I was in Bangladesh, and I'm pretty sure those are not the real cards. Those were the replicas or fakes, so I still have those in my collection. Maybe I'll do a separate video sharing what I have. Now here I was fortunate enough to pull the Japanese Armarouge Art Rare from the Scarlet X pack. I absolutely love this one, and glad that, you know, I got a full artwork Pokemon card from my very first pack opening. The Japanese Pokemon cards are different from the English cards. The sets released in Japan first, the artwork is unique to the Japanese market, and some cards never make it to the English version at all. The seller confirmed that these cards were completely unsearched, straight from the store, sealed and untouched. So opening these has been a really joyful experience for me. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Pokemon pack opening in this channel. This is a Collectiverse channel, so this is not exclusively for Hot Wheels. I would like to expand on other collectibles as well. I like this artwork as well, although I don't recognize most of these Pokemons, but opening these packs have been very nostalgic for me, and it really, you know, makes the inner child very happy. Here we've pulled a holo, but this one is not worth anything. So these are the two noticeable pulls from these pack openings. Definitely the full artwork will go into the sleeve, and let's move on to the next one. Now for my diecast collectors, item number 5 is the 1988 Mazda RX-7 in red. This is the 2024 Matchbox Moving Parts series exclusively for Japan. This Mazda RX-7 is an absolute legend in the JDM world. The rotary engine, the clean body lines, that unmistakable silhouette. It is one of the most iconic Japanese sports car ever made, and Matchbox has done a really nice job with the casting. The red color really suits it perfectly. The level of details on the headlights and the taillights and overall the body is genuinely impressive for this scale. This is part of the Matchbox Moving Parts series, which means it has a working mechanic feature. On this RX-7, that moving part is the front hood, and I do want to be transparent with you. The front hood on mine does not open all the way. It opens partially, but does not sit fully upright. Just something to be aware of if you're looking to pick up one. I guess you can say this is a factory error, but you really don't figure it out until you're unboxing it and trying to open the hood. But beyond that minor thing, this is a absolutely beautiful casting. I'm really happy to add it to my collection, and the fact that this is a Mazda RX-7 sourced directly from Japan makes it even more collection worthy. Now this one is another treat for the Hot Wheels collectors. This is the 2024 Hot Wheels Streets of Japan multi-pack. 6 cars, all JDM legends, brand new and unused, purchased directly from Mercari Japan through JPFans. Let me go through each one of them in this unboxing. The first car in this set is the Pandem Subaru BRZ. The Pandem wide body kit on the BRZ is one of the most recognizable JDM builds on the planet. This casting has been in the Hot Wheels lineup since 2019, and the colorway in this 2024 multi-pack is bold, aggressive, and absolutely works on this BRZ body. I absolutely love it. I love the pink color. I love the wheels on this one as well. It really goes well together. The overall wide body design really suits this casting. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Definitely happy with this one. Next one is the custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR. This is actually the newest casting in the entire set, debuting in 2023 as part of the Fast and Furious Premium Series. The Integra GSR is a Honda legend, and it looks right at home in a JDM pack. The yellow and black paintwork really goes well together. I like the golden wheels. It could have been better, but that's the best you can expect from a Silver Series set. The third car is the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Mitsubishi's flagship sports car of the 90s and one of the most underrated JDM nameplate out there. The clean white on white look with black stripes gives it a really sharp presence. I absolutely love this one as well. I like the wheels on this one better than the last one, and you can already see how detailed the headlights and the taillights are on this one as well. Very glad with this one. Moving on to the next one, it's the 2021 Toyota GR Supra, one of the most anticipated modern JDM sports car and an absolute staple of Hot Wheels car culture range. Always a crowd pleaser and fan favorite. I absolutely love this yellow color, and the design, the JDM culture really pops up on this one. I would really like to have this car, in real life as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The fifth car is 2023 Nissan Z, the spiritual successor to one of the most legendary Japanese sports car lineages ever. Clean casting, great proportions, and a perfect addition to any JDM collection. If you are a JDM fan, you will be thrilled to add this to your collection. I absolutely love the paintwork on this. It's very clean, very neat, like the deep blue and black combination. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Moving on the last but not the least, it's my favorite from this set. It's the Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem. The Pandem wide body RX-7 is arguably one of the most photographed JDM builds in Japanese car culture, saving the best for the last with this one. Let me know in the comments if you'd also rank this one at the top out of these 6 cars. For me, it's definitely at the top. I really like the color. It's the classic Mazda red. Tail light details, headlight details, top notch. Wheels could have been better, but still the golden wheel goes really well with this one. Now the next item is a treat for the Digimon lovers. This is the War Greymon, one of my favorite characters from this anime series. It took me about 1.5 hours to assemble this entire figure, and here is a highlight. If you want to watch the full video, let me know in the comments. I can make a separate video for this one so that you can use this as a tutorial, but I believe the instructions were very clear in the instruction guide. But still, if you need any help, let me know in the comments. Overall, I absolutely love this one. This one is another nostalgic addition to my collection. This will go straight to my display case along with the Goku's action figure. Next, that's what we will be looking into, but here you can take a closer look and admire how beautiful this action figure is. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's move on to the next one. This is the crown jewel of all these items that I have ordered. This is the one I have been mostly excited for. This is the Dragon Ball Z Super SFC Super Saiyan Son Goku figure by Bandai. This figure hits with a massive wave of pure 90s nostalgia. It instantly transports you back to the golden era of this series, recalling the days of hunting down rare Japanese imports, classic retro games, and model kits at local comic shops. The vintage packaging and classic aesthetic captures the raw energy of early Akira Toriyama artwork perfectly, and it looks even better than the picture on the box. That's a very rare thing, I believe, and this really makes it an incredible throwback centerpiece for any Dragon Ball Z fans display. I am really happy to add this to my collection and to my future display set. That's something I'm working on. Once ready, I will definitely share that with you guys. For now, let me know your thoughts on this one. Do you like this, and would you like to order this through JPFans as well? Having said that, let's talk about the best part of this entire haul: how you can save big on your own orders using the JPFans international shipping coupon. So after you place all your orders and they arrive at the JPFan warehouse, you request a consolidation. Then JPFan team securely packs everything into one optimal box to minimize dead space and lower the weight of the package. When your final international shipping code is calculated, you'll head to the payment screen right before you pay for the DHL, FedEx or EMS shipping. You will see a coupon code section. Just plug in the code from the description and it instantly slashes your international shipping total. Whether it's percentage off or a flat rate discount on your first shipment, it directly offsets the cost of bringing these exclusive pieces over from Japan. I will leave the exact link and my exclusive shipping coupon code down in the description box below so you can use it on your very first order. Sourcing gems like these should not break your bank account, and I would really like to thank everyone watching this video till the end. Let me know in the comments which one of these items was your favorite. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.